Now that all the disturbances are going out of the back, let's get back to recording. As you can see, there's one done over there. 3 more to go. And this is my progress with the planter boxes for the pool deck. Forgot to record a lot yesterday. It's now 24 hours later. But I just laid them down, ran these long pallet pieces all the way across, as you can see. And now I'm cutting them. I'm gonna take them home, see if the girls want to paint their own a special color. Try to give them a little responsibility, see what plants they want in it. It must be plants that can keep bugs away. And that'll be their planter box, something to call their own. In the pool area, that's for them. So I would have got me a 10-foot pool and soaked in it, but no. We spoil our kids. Y'all know we do. We do. So hopefully I can get them painted, set up properly in the next couple of days and finish this video up. So about a month or two ago, a month and a half ago, I made some planter boxes to put on the pool deck and told the girls they have 2 each. They are gonna maintain, well, they're gonna paint them, maintain them once the growing season starts next year. And that way we can have some kind of greenery up here, and it'll help, you know, keep away mosquitoes and stuff like that. Well, they did somewhat of a job. It's kind of botched. As you can see, this was sitting on the ground in the driveway, so they painted everything but that side. But it's okay. They're learning, and one day they'll get it right. What I'm going to do now is put weed barrier in these boxes so we can fill them with dirt and get to planting some stuff in them. I'm going to set you guys down and get that knocked out. Tomorrow I can get some dirt in them and get them back up here.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel. I got to hold my time for the deal. I got to take a back seat. Are you kidding? I got to grab my chance cause it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday. Just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday. Hey.
All right, one more to go, and I can fill them with dirt. It's late in the season, middle of September, so whatever we put in them. Might have to probably go on the patio during the winter. It's gonna be fun moving them. But I might go ahead and just put them up there when I fill them up. Start prepping for the winter. I gave each box half of this bucket. How many gallons is this? It doesn't say. Powder came in it, so it's giving me kilograms. Then convert it, but each box got half a bucket, and I'm going to do that. Today's Sunday. I'm going to do that until Wednesday, because the soil that I have in the pile in the back, it's somewhat sandy, so it's like draining all the way out. What I'm going to do is just keep soaking it in the next 3 days. Come out in the morning, soak it. At night, soak it, and then on Thursday I'll transplant some lemongrass in there. Not worried about it being winter for the spring anyway. Lemon balm, not so sure, but balsam, I have one in the garage. I'm getting the seeds from it. I'm going to plant those in the house for the winter, so I can have them to put up here and amongst the garden. Help keep all these bugs and stuff away. I need to add more plants, but for now we have, let me show you what we got. What we got here. We got Thai basil, and we have sweet mint on the deck. I need to get some lavender and citronella to finish out the 2 front boxes. So 2 more each plants. But you know, I got my lemongrass, favorite of all. This one they come up with a root, so it'll be getting boiled. This is gonna be real thick down in here, and what do you call it? When it boils, it's gonna be potent down in here. But hey, planter boxes for the deck are done. If I could, I put a nail in it, but I can't. So here from Nailed It Projects, thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much, and we're gonna put a nail in the planter boxes for the deck. All right, appreciate y'all so much. Thank you as always, and on to the next video. Stay salty, y'all, and lemongrass up.